Hey, what's going on, world? This is Sencheezy here. I know it's been a minute since I made a public video, but I've been hiding. I can't lie. Past 6 months, 8 months have been a lot of ups and downs in this roller coaster life that I've been living in. And right now, basically, I lost my job at the airport, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to do this entrepreneur thing. I do believe recently I have begun my awakening journey process, so I wanted to share that with you guys today. So again, not working for the next man. I'm gonna go ahead and start working for myself. First thing that I've accepted to challenge is the Forex market. This is something that was brought to my attention by my roommate Keith, who owe me everything. Ever since then, I started studying a little bit, but then the job, working all those hours every week, it really didn't give me the opportunity to really divulge my time into it. But now I have that opportunity. I have pretty much trapped myself in the bedroom and started studying really hardcore. So because this market, it's kind of like the New York Stock Exchange, and the fact that you're trading stocks and you're making profit, and you can lose profit as well. But that's a $200 million that's a $200 billion industry per day in profits. Okay, the Forex exchange, 5.2 trillion. All right, that should get your attention right there. There's enough pie, there's enough money for everybody. Let me go ahead and show you guys what I've been doing. Sorry, my room's a bit messy. But here we go. I drew this up just 5 minutes ago. It probably took me 10 minutes. I would like to explain what's going on. Alright, so basically, let me go ahead and start from the beginning. We're trading currency pairs. Okay, this is United States currency versus Japan. So if you use to travel from US to Japan, you have to transfer your currency. Okay, and that value is fluctuating every second, every minute of the day. And the way that we make profit is by betting, taking a gamble, guess, an educated guess, applying knowledge to try to predict where that market is going. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to start from the beginning. What I did yesterday on that picture that I uploaded, this is what happened. This is how I made those money. This is how I turned 6 cents into $27 like within a few hours, like within an hour. So here we go at the top. This was my original entry point. Okay, zooming is gonna be a challenge. Okay, so original entry point right here. Based on the knowledge that I've attained from IML and Forex and this strategy, particularly Sean Sutton, it determined, based on certain criteria, I was led to believe to go ahead and enter a sell. Okay, so I'm gambling, I'm guessing, this is what I'm doing, I'm predicting that the United States dollar will be less than the Japan yen at this very moment in time. Okay, it goes up and down all the time. So at this very moment, I'm guessing, without seeing the future, that it's going to go down. Alright, you see that it does go down. So right now, that means that 3 cents that I entered, I did 2 trades. The first 3 cent trade was, it was in profit, because again, I'm guessing and I'm accurate at this point that the US is less than JP. Alright, but then guess what happened? It went back up, which is fine. That's part of what the market does. Right now I'm looking at the 5-minute interval. Okay, so that's telling me what the currency is doing every 5 minutes. Okay, so right here it starts to go up on the second circle that I outlined right here. It goes up, but what did I do? I did not panic. Based on my training and educated guess, I went ahead and entered another trade. Okay, I did another sell for US versus JPY. Okay, so right here, these green dots represent that at this point in time, JPY actually went above USD. Okay, that's why I went back up. But I knew, based off other criteria, that overall, it was going to continue to go down. Let me show you. At the top, okay, done, dancing. But the dance for the night is down south. It's going downward, okay? In the dance, you got lows and highs. But overall, the vibe is going down. Okay, so that's why I knew when it jumped up not to panic. I knew that it's going to continue to go down overall. Okay, so what I did is I went in, it went down, went up, went in again, and went down. Now at this point, this is where I took my profit. That's my $70. That's my 6 cents to $27 right there. I got out right there, okay? Based on criteria, based on I was already in profit once, twice. This one is still going. Okay, so this one's near, if we're going to guess, it's twice as much in profit as this one. But nonetheless, they're both in profit by the time they get down to this point. Okay, I went ahead and took out. But there's other people out there, based on their criteria, they kept in. So this sell that they did, they're in it all the way down here because they knew, based on their prediction, that the trend overall was going down. Now, see, I went out in good timing without being greedy or anything. This was my personal preference. I said, okay, I'm good with the profit that I made from here to here and from here to here. I'm good with that. So look what happened is after I pulled out, it went right back up. So when that went back up, I would have lost those profits. You know, if I took out right there, I would only have that much profit. But I took out down here, so I gained all that profit. Now if I would have stayed in, again, it would have went all the way